Select one underlined word or phrase that needs to be changed to make the sentence correct, or indicate that none of the underlined parts are in error. Students' debt levels on leaving a university are striking. More than 70% of students are saddled with debt that will take them over 20 years to pay back. Let's go through each choice to see if there's a mistake that needs correcting. B. Students' debt levels. To indicate possessiveness, we use an apostrophe S. For example, the cat's fur. But when the noun is already plural, we simply add the apostrophe after the plural S. If we were to write the cat's fur with an apostrophe after the S, it would be obvious that we were referring to the fur of multiple cats. In this sentence, we're talking about the debt of students in general, and not one particular student. As this is a correct apostrophe usage, we can mark this choice as incorrect. C. Debt levels on leaving a university are striking. More than 70% of students are saddled with debt. This comma joins two independent clauses. Both clauses have a subject and a predicate. The first clauses being debt levels and are striking, and the seconds being students and are saddled. Because we're dealing with two independent clauses, we need something stronger than a comma to separate the two. We have several options. A period, a semicolon, or adding a conjunction like and are all viable options. But as a comma wouldn't be appropriate here, we can see that this is likely our answer, but we can take a look at choice D just to be sure. D. Students are saddled with debt that will take them over 20 years to pay back. One might think which could be used in this context, but that is the correct word here. That introduces information essential to the sentence, while which introduces information that, if removed, doesn't change the essence of the sentence. In this sentence, that will take them over 20 years to pay back describes these debts specifically. Were we to say students are saddled with debt, which will take them over 20 years to pay back, it would sound like all student debt in general takes over 20 years to pay back, which isn't the case. As this phrase's current wording is correct, we can mark this choice off and mark choice C as our final answer.